So, how is the life going? Good evening, bhai. Good evening. Good evening. Life going good. Enjoying. Studying also a little bit. Enjoying Joshna. Okay. Tejaswini is chilling. Stressed. What happened, bhai? What stress you have got, bhai? I wrote chemistry exam very well. Okay, Akshara, good. CBS exam also there. Arey, exams will come and go. Nakshatra, I'm good. Thank you. How are you? I'm awesome by birth. I'm awesome by birth. By birth. Every day, ప్రతిరోజు చాలా మంచి ఉంది. ప్రతిరోజు, ప్రతి క్షణం, ప్రతిరోజు, ప్రతి క్షణం. Waiting for the results. ठीक है. चंद्राधर. Okay, चक्राधर. Okay, भाई. प्रति निमिषम. निमिषम means. प्रति निमिषम means minute. Okay. 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 Minute. So we need to write the exam compulsory. It's not compulsory. It is advisable. You will not write, nothing will happen. But if you will write, it will be good. So if you will explain the doubts, don't worry. I will explain. I'll explain. I'll discuss the assignment also. But today I will discuss the assignment in the last half an hour. Clear? What is the level of exam? Better than board, equivalent to NEET. NEET level exam will be there. So I got heart attacks while doing assignment. So obviously, first assignment I sent easy only. So that little bit of confidence will build up. Kuncham to level we will have to increase now. Nahi? Little bit level should increase. Then only interest will come. Right? First one was trap. So that you start doing assignment. Second one is the assignment. Third one will be final consolidation. Then confidence will come. Clear, bhai? Where am I from? I am from India. Bharat Desham. Clear, bhai? Chali. Bilkul, I can start the class. I can start the class. Chali, bhai. Age, I am 130 years old, but I'm a very well-maintained man. I don't look like 130. I look like not more than 125, I know. Yeah, only 130 years old. Me and my tortoise were born at the same time, same place. Bilkul, old is gold. Bilkul, I am platinum. Chaliye. Birthday will be, means I was born on 4th of February. 4th of February I was born. Chaliye bhai, so let's continue. Which state are you from? I am solid state. Uttarakhand. Dehradun. ठीक है भाई? So let's start. So by this time we have seen ortho acids. We have seen ortho acid minus water are meta acid. We also saw ortho plus ortho minus water is pyro acid. Pyro. Then we saw the anion nomenclature. Then we saw anion nomenclature. For the anions, whenever ic acid is there, the anion of that is going to be 8. Like sulfuric acid, sulfate. Carbonic acid, carbonate. Pyrophosphoric acid, pyrophosphate. Ovus acid anion we have seen as ite. हाइपोफॉस्फोरस एसिड हाइपोफॉस्फाइट, phosphorus acid phosphite, so ite. Some examples we saw in the last class. Now we are going to see which are the examples we have seen. 1-2 examples I can discuss. For example, I say H4P2O7. So someone asked a very important doubt and very nice doubt that, sir, how can I differentiate between ortho acid, because more than 3 hydrogen means ortho acid. Ortho acid more than equal to 3 hydrogen required. So sir, how can I differentiate between ortho acid and pyro acid? So for pyro, I said there must be 2 central atoms. How many central atoms? 2. What is central atom? This atom here, this is called central atom. Central atom, bhai. Central atom. Clear? So central atom, the middle atom here, central atom P, phosphorus, that is a central atom. So there are 2 central atoms. So here we can call it pyro. 2 central atoms are there. Then only we can call it pyro. Now understand, H4P2O7 is a pyrophosphoric acid. This we have seen in the last class. Remember, pyrophosphoric acid. So the anion of pyrophosphoric acid, for example, Na4P2O7, this will be called as sodium pyrophosphate. So if this is pyrophosphoric acid, the anion of ic acid will be named as 8. Sodium pyrophosphate. This example we have seen in the last class. No, bhai, Akshara, it is not ortho, it is pyro only. In ortho, there are more than 3 hydrogen and 1 central atom. 1 central atom. In pyro, there are 2 central atoms. That is the major difference between pyro and ortho. But slowly, with your experience, you will be able to remember them, which are ortho, which are pyro also easily. So from here, we have to continue. Clear, bhai? Let's take a small break for the hydro acid now. Sorry, oxo acid now. Let's take a small break from ortho, meta, pyro. From 2-3 days we are doing. A small break we are taking. Now let us do hydra acids. Hydra acid means hydrogen undi, some element undi, but oxygen ledu. Hydra acid means hydrogen is there, some other element is there, but oxygen is not there. Hydra acid. Clear, bhai? Example: HF, HCl, HBr, HI, HN3. Clear, bhaiya? HCN. These are hydra acids. Done, bhaiya? For hydra acid, how to name? So naming is common. Very easy naming is there. Naming is hydro dash ic acid. Hydro dash ic acid. There we say, for example, chloric acid. We don't use the word hydro. When we use the word hydro means oxygen ledu, only HF, HCl, HBr, HI. For this we are talking about. For example, if I take HCl aqueous, I will call it hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Chloric. If I take, for example, HCl, I will say hydrocyanic acid, because it is cyanide, na? Cn minus is a very common name. Cn minus cyanide. Cyanide. So hydrocyanic acid. Hydroiodic acid. Hydrobromic acid. Hydrofluoric acid. Is the idea clear, bhaiya? This name you can ignore for some time because this is little unique name is there. Special name is there. You will have to remember separately. But is the basic funda clear here? How the nomenclature is different. For example, we can compare with HClO3. HClO3 is the second highest of chlorine. Highest of chlorine, HClO4. Highest of chlorine was HClO4. I'm talking about the second highest of chlorine. So second highest of chlorine, this bhai sahab will be chloric acid. Oxo acid is chloric acid. But when I write HCl, so hydrochloric acid. So when the word hydro comes, it means it is hydra acid. It is hydrogen acid, oxygen ledu. Is the story clear, bhai? Check. Difference clear. Tejaswini, wait. This word I will explain, then you will understand. HF aqueous is hydrofluoric acid. Clear? HF aqueous. What you are saying the name is HF, only HF. Water ledu. Aqueous ledu. Manchinilu ledu. Hanji. H2S4 can occur. No. H2S occurs. H2S occurs. Sir, for this, how you are identifying the name? Simple. Hydrodashic acid. So fluorine to fluoric, chlorine, chloric. Just fill in the blanks, na? Fluorine, fluoric. Naming is very simple naming. No extra brain used. No oxidation state checking, nothing. Bilkul you can put here aqueous. No extra naming required, bhai sahab. Directly you can put the fill in the blanks. Hydrodashic acid, hydrofluoric, hydrochloric, hydrobromic, hydroiodic, hydrocyanic. Is the idea clear? Beta, HN3 is little different. Hydrazoic acid, we call it little different. So I'm not going there. Okay? That you have to remember. Some acid names are common names. You need to remember them. But anyway, is this idea clear up to here? Clear up to here? Because I have to go a little bit more in detail. Otherwise, clarity of the concept will not come. Beta, hydro, if someone says simply hydro in physics or some other subject, it might mean water. But here the name hydro means H is there in the acid. Clear? Same thing can have two different meanings also. H3B Pavan does not exist. If it exists, then hydroboric acid, but does not exist. Right? It does not exist. Chaliye, let's carry on. Let's carry on. Focus here. If I say, focus here, if aqueous medium is not there, use the name hydrogen dash ide. If I'm mentioning the aqueous medium, in aqueous medium, they act like acid. In aqueous medium, they will dissociate. HCl in the aqueous medium will become H plus and Cl minus. HCl in the aqueous medium become H plus and Cl minus. If aqueous medium is not there, then that HCl will be called as hydrogen dash ide. Example. HCl gas will be called hydrogen chloride. HBr will be called as hydrogen bromide. Try to understand, bhai. If aqueous medium taken, then they are called acid. So naming will be hydrodashic acid. But when aqueous medium not taken, then hydrogen dash ide. For example, HCl chloride, Br bromide, fluorine fluoride, IDE, beta IDE, ID. Very so good handwriting I have written here. How can you confuse between D and T here? So awesome handwriting is there. Niliginda. Correct, Sonu. Bilkul correct here. Kya baat hai? Sonu said a very intelligent thing. Bilkul correct. Bilkul. H2S you can put. H2S you can put. Hydrogen sulfide you can put here. H2S gas, hydrogen sulfide. Aqueous medium, hydrosulfuric acid. Aqueous medium H2S, hydrosulfuric acid. H2S gas, hydrogen sulfide. Someone asking H3S. Beta H3S to dreams will come because such kind of compound in reality does not exist. So only dreams can come, and Munchie dreams will not come. Clear? Schrodinger, Einstein, everyone will come in the dream and will haunt you for the rest of your life if you will start making the compound by yourself. So here, please, don't generate a compound. Name them. Clear, bhai? Sir, why you are not keeping G in HBr? Not required. That's why. If I don't put gas here, then also HCl will be hydrogen chloride. Not required. G for gas. It does not matter what the state is. Manchi Nilu undi. So hydrohalic acid. Hydrohalic acid. Manchi Nilu le do. So hydrogen halide. Is the story clear? Beta, hydrogen oxide is Manchi Nilu. That is water. For water also nomenclature you will do kya? Without nomenclature, you can't tell what I am drinking. Tejaswini, HCl exists as a gas, 100%. 100%. Gases can also be acidic. Bilkul gases can be acidic. Example, CO2 is acidic gas. SO2 is acidic gas. Say bhai, any problem, samasya, pida. Any problem? Problem unda? Chakradhar? No, yaar, both are used. Both are used. Don't dekho. You know this much only, yaar, beta. Understand first. And I'm telling the truth, not for hurting your ego. This much only you know. So don't generate your own concept. Sir, HCl is not used. How much PhDs have you done in chemistry? Bhaiya? When did you clear the PhD exam? Understood? So both are used. If you want to see, I can show you where they are mentioned. This nomenclature you will find in NCERT. Oh, bhai sahab. Oh, bhaiya. This much bio you are reading, kya? This much bio, kya? MBBS you will do right now only. I can show you where it is mentioned. In NCERT it is mentioned. How can we identify whether HCl is aqueous? Beta, HCl, if aqueous given to aqueous, not given to not aqueous. They are not going to play guessing game with you. Clear? They will give you complete information. If they want to ask any question, they will have to ask the complete question. They will have to give complete information. Right? So they will mention aqueous in the bracket. Aqueous mentioned hydrochloric acid, not mentioned hydrogen chloride. This thing is explained in NCERT. This is something very small thing which is explained in NCERT. Otherwise, remaining names are not explained. Whichever the names I have taught you, I have shown you also, they are not explained in NCERT. But this one is explained, bhai. This one is explained. I can show you right here after chlorine. Here, you can see. You can see. The topic name is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. Clear? See, Tejaswini, HCl gas. HCl is a gas. Viliginda. Then, somewhere here. See this line? Can you see? Everyone can see? Its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. Very logically not given, but this much brain every student have. When they said hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid, this much brain to everyone have now that they can apply HBr, hydrogen bromide, hydrobromic acid and all. Clearly not given, but this is not something very tough. Students generally understand. They don't need a guidance like oxo acid is difficult, ortho meta pyro, that is difficult. But this is comparatively easy. So they are in NCERT, well within the syllabus. Sometimes very elementary knowledge also students don't have properly. They think HCl is hydrochloric acid. HCl is not hydrochloric acid. HCl is hydrogen chloride. Aqueous solution of HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Is the nomenclature clear to us, bhai? Is the nomenclature clear to us? Say, bhai. Viliginda? Is the nomenclature clear? Say, bhai, yes or no? Clear, bhai? Okay, just hold on for a second. There are some people who are coming in our meeting. I'm blocking the meeting for some moment. In case anyone miss it, you can continue on the YouTube also. Just for a moment, okay? Chaliye, shall we carry on? Shall we carry on? Who coming? There are some people who are jealous. They will come. Clear? So don't worry. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Some competitive people are there. They don't know how to compete with education. So they do extra stuffs. This from last 1-2 years we are seeing this. Anyway, some so-called Telugu state corporate schools are there. Those who can't handle that some teachers have started the institute and it is running. So they come and do extra stuffs because teaching, so they can't compete. So they compete in the other stuffs. No problem. That is something we have to ignore. That is our job. Your job is to focus here completely. That we can do. Don't worry. One doubt beta I missed here. Can you please post that again? One long doubt was there here. Because of this disturbance, I was not able to read. Can you post again? Some aqueous, some doubt was there. Whosoever doubt I was not able to answer, post again. Yes, sir, but in inter SCL aqueous mostly used than normal. But there is nothing like mostly. Mostly is a thing that people use to explain or defend an answer which they don't know the actual answer. Clear? Teachers also, students also, those who use the word mostly, that means they don't know the answer. They are defending their answer. So I'm understanding how to keep names of inorganic compound, but I'm from inorganic compound. How to make formula of that? I didn't understand. Don't worry. Today's lecture you will understand. Clear, bhai? Beta, HS does not exist. Bhaiya, random things will not exist. Tell the name of H, MNO, PRQST. W1234. Chaliye bhai, chapandi. Twarga. So क्या randomly anything you are typing and giving? Some is saying H3B, someone saying HS. Anything you will say, nomenclature will be there. Kya? Chalo. Tell the name of this paper. So Chintu. Random names you cannot keep. Na? Something should exist for keeping the name. Chali bhai, shall we carry on? Shall we carry on? White paper, that is not white paper. That is gray. That is gray. No, the name is there, bhai. Kya baat kar? Name is there. I kept him Chintu. His name is Chintu. Surya, wrong name. I am the father of this compound and I called him Pintu. Chaliye bhai. So let's carry on. So don't start giving random things. Tell the name of this also, that also, falana dhimkana. At least that compound should exist for having the name of that compound. Clear? You cannot tell my child's name. My son don't have a name. It feels bad. I feel hurt that my son don't have a name. Because I don't have a son. Viliginda. When I don't have a son, how can my son has a name? Any problem, samasya, pida. Chaliye, so let's carry on. Now, when to use ide, one thing is clear, one more thing, listen carefully. Negative charge on non-oxoanion. Whenever there is negative charge on non-oxoanion, non-oxoanion means anions, negative ion, anion means negative ion. Anion means negative ion. Non-oxoanion means those anion, those who don't contain oxygen, like Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, Cn minus, F minus, OH minus. Many examples you can take. This one you cannot say oxo. This one you will not say oxo. Here, this is a little kind of, we should say exception or something, but we should not say oxo because this came from water. All these people, just keep OH minus separately in your brain, but all these people name will end with ide, 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 ide. So chloride, bromide, iodide, cyanide, fluoride, or hydroxide. Oxygen 2 minus, oxide, oxide. We can do one, match the column. O2 minus, Cl minus, ClO2 minus, IO3 minus, I minus, iodide, iodate, chloride, chloride, oxide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Match the column with A, B, C, D, E. Tough one, but try. Tough one, but try it once. Tough one, but try. So first one too easy. First one is oxide. First one is oxide. First one is oxide. Cl minus, chloride, chloride, ide, chloride. ClO2 minus is chlorite, ITE. Why, sir? देखिए, ClO2 minus came from HClO2. HClO2. We know that we have HClO4, we have HClO3, we have HClO2, and we have HClO. There are 4 oxo acid. When there are 4 oxo acid, bhai sahab, the highest one is per ... ic. Lower one is ic. Even lower, OS. Bottommost, hypo-OS. Say bhai sahab, ear bursting kya? Ear kuncham bursting. No problem then. Per ic, OS, hypo-OS. So HClO2 will be OS. HClO2 will be OS na yaar. So if HClO2 is chlorous acid, HClO2 is chlorous acid, then bhaiya ClO2 minus will be chloride, chloride, OS acid anion ite, chloride. So ClO2 minus will be chloride. Say bhai, say. Check. Some people start saying repeat before I complete also. Beta, let me complete, after that repeat. In the middle repetition start kya? That means you are not listening. I did not even complete. Repeat came. So how should I speak now? I should speak like this. Hi ko hi ha. Bhai ha hota rahega ya fir to. Repetition between ha only I will do. Then when will I say po-chlorous acid yaar? Let me complete the sentence. I will repeat. Where am I running? Chaliye bhai, let's carry on. IO3 minus from where it came? Let us see. We know HiO4, HiO3, HiO2, HiO. If anyone is seeing this lecture directly, without seeing any before lecture, beta, everything will go bouncer. If you are seeing directly this lecture, so only see for entertainment purposes. But if you are seeing for educational purposes, then video number 1, 2, 3, 4, you will have to see. This is the 5th one in the series. You cannot directly jump in the 5th video and understand whatever we learned in the 4 days. Very concentrated learning we have done in 4 days. So please see the previous videos and come. Don't directly start attending the lecture and expect to understand. You can listen to the lecture. some things you will get, some things you will have to see the previous video. चलिए भाई, focus here. HiO4, HiO3, HiO2, HiO, highest one per ick, తర్వాత ick, తర్వాత OS, తర్వాత hypo-OS. So भैया IO3 minus came from where? IO3 minus came from 1, 2, 3 or 4. IO3 minus came from 1, 2, 3, 4. Rendu, bilkul correct, 100% correct. IO3 minus came from HiO3. So HiO3 is ic acid. So iodine means iodic acid. Iodic acid. HiO3 is iodic acid. So the anion will be ic acid, ic acid, ic acid. Anion is 8. So iodic acid will be iodate. Iodic acid will be iodate. 8, ATE8. Clear, bhai? Sampath, I will post in the group. All the classes I will post in the group again. Just message me after the class. Chaliye. Sir, how we know that maximum state is HClO4? But all this is covered in previous lectures. You are asking the second lecture. All covered there in detail. We started from so low level now. Those who attended all classes from beginning, they will understand from so low level we started. That now if you are trying to learn that within the same lecture, that will not be possible. I will post those lectures, see them. Doubts are there. My number is also there. I will give you the number at the end of the lecture here. Clarify the doubts. But after seeing those video, doubts will not come. Clear, bhaiya? Next. I minus. Understand one more thing. Again, I'm saying the same thing. If you are attending this lecture today and you are expecting you will ask me to repeat 100 times and you will understand, you will not understand. Problem is not that you are not understanding what I'm saying today. Problem is that previous thing you have not attended. For that, we have recorded the lecture. We will provide it to you. Please see them, then understand, then come for the next class. Is the idea clear, bhai? Chaliye. So let's carry on. Let's carry on. Problem will come by dekho, understand. Practical problem is there. You should understand my problem also. I cannot go back to first lecture again and waste the time of the people who started the lecture from the day one. That is not good. Because 1 and 2 only joining late. For you, we are providing the lecture. Na yaar. It's not like I'm saying I will not provide any lecture. Now I will not tell again. I'm saying that option is there where you will also be happy. Older people will also be happy. New joiners, everyone happy. And if everyone happy, so I am also happy. Clear, bhai sir? Done. I will tell the new thing slow, beta. This is the question of last class. Let me tell this in the speed everyone understanding, because you are saying to go, you are asking to go slow. See the people who are attending the classes from day one, they have already answered this question 10 minutes back. Clear? It is not justified. If you will be joining on the day one, you will not like it. Understand, we are not the only people existing in this world. We have to understand that some people joined early. They will understand fast. You will also understand after seeing those videos. We are providing you. Please don't over expect. Chaliye. Any problem, samasya, pida? I minus iodide. I minus iodide. IO3 minus iodate came. ClO2 minus chloride came. Check, bhai. Any problem, samasya, pida up to here. Those who are attending the lecture from day one, check. Any problem, samasya, pida up to here. Remaining people, I will tell you, but I will not tell you this question. This question you cannot handle today. Wait for it. See the previous videos, then you will be able to attend this question. Those people who attended since the beginning, is this question clear, bhai? Revise the notes. You will be able to understand these things easily. Let's do some more question, bhai. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Let us move ahead. Oxygen is Rendu minus. Rendu minus. Rendu minus. Done, bhaiya. Chaliye, let's carry on. Now, let us say we have to write the name of Na2Ac2O7. Try. Na2Ac2O7. Try, bhai. Try. Na2Ac2O7. त्वरगा ट्राई. Na2Se2O7. One hint I am giving you, that sulfur and selenium belong to the same group. Sulfur and selenium belong to the same group. Same group. Think, 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 think. Think by think. Some answers came correct. Some answers have silly mistake. Some answers have silly mistake. Per beta wrong. Per will be wrong. Per will be wrong. Per will be wrong. Chaliye, let's try to understand. How many central atom? How many central atom came? How many central atom came? How many central atom, bhai? Sir, there are 2 central atom. And what I said, when there are 2 central atom, when there are 2 central atom, it will tell that we have pyro. Is the trick number 1 clear? Trick number 1 clear? The trick is very simple. If there are 2 central atom, it is going to be called as pyro. So I will call him sodium because Na, sodium. Then I will call him pyro. Now I need to identify the name of this. Pyro what? Let's see. Selenium Se2O7, 2 minus coming. Sir, how 2 minus came? Listen very carefully. Stop typing and start listening. If you will type, you will not understand better. So start listening now very carefully. How 2 minus came? How 2 minus came? I removed Na plus 2 of them. So Rendu plus gone, so Rendu minus will come. Rendu plus I released. Na plus, 2 Na plus I released. So 2 minus will come. Now, understand oxidation state. If I find the oxidation state, there are 2 methods of doing it. One method is understanding from where it came. One method is understanding from where it came. Second method, direct shortcut, find oxidation state. Let's see. If I find oxidation state here, can you try? Can you try to find the oxidation state? Very good, correct. 6 will come. So 2 times of X, 2 times of X plus 7 times of oxygen has general minus 2. And total charge on the top I can see also minus 2. So here 2 times of X plus 7 times of minus 2 equal to minus 2. So 2x minus 14 is minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2 plus 14, that is 12. So x will be equal to 6 plus 6. Sulfur and selenium belong to the same group. Which group? 16th group. 16th group. So when you are in the 16th group, which is the maximum oxidation state, plus 6. 16 group, maximum oxidation state, plus 6. Plus 6 means plus 6, then 2 less, 2 less, plus 4, 2 less, plus 2. There are going to be 3 oxo acid, plus 6, plus 4, plus 2. So understand, plus 6 bhai sahab, highest one, ic, then OS, then hypo OS. Willing in the ic, OS, hypo OS. When there are 3 oxo acid, highest is ic, middle one OS, bottom one hypo OS. So plus 6 is going to be ic acid. So seleniumic acid will be selenic acid. But this is not acid. This is a salt. So I cannot use the word ic acid. I will have to use the word ate. So sodium pyrosalinate. Sodium pyrosalinate. Any problem? Samasya, pida. See, bye, we are increasing the level. You have to be patient. You have to listen it. You have to understand it. Then only, bhaiya, you will be able to get. I'll give you more examples. But firstly, note down this. I will repeat this also if you want. But firstly, note down this. Firstly, note down this. Firstly, note down. I'll give you time for the doubt. Don't worry. I'll give you enough time for the doubt. Firstly, note down. First note, it will come in your notebook. After that, ask whatever the doubt you want to ask. But firstly, note down. For 1 minute, everyone will only note down. They will not do anything else. They will note down. Twarga, twarga. Twarga, twarga, note. See it once. With a cool mind, see it once. Take a small mental break. Sahavi, I've given you the assignment. The assignment, multiple choice questions are given. That way it will be given in the exam. If +6, then +8 will be there, the last stage. Not possible. 16 group. Read carefully what is written below 16 group. Open the eyes and read, beta. What is written below 16 group? Max written na max. So 16 group maximum oxidation state is 16 group. Maximum oxidation state is +6. So how can +8 come? If there are more than 3 central atom, then also it will be pyro. But more than 3 central atom will be called tri, tetra, penta, hexa. We will not call it pyro. 3 for tri, 4 for tetra, 5 for penta, and so on. I will repeat again, don't worry. I'm not changing the slide. I will repeat again. Se2O7 minus 2 is an anion like that. Also, we can say and consider as 8. No, sir. Ha, bilkul, you can say 8. 100% there also you can say. Pyrosalinate. I will explain. Sir, how from ic acid to 8? Wah, beta, wah. Sampath bhai. Whole topic over. Last class, did you attend or not attend? Today's class also you came late. Sampath. Sir, if you don't know the group. But if you don't know the group, you have to know it. That is not correct. You should know the group. How can we confirm it is salt? But can you see any hydrogen there? Can you see any hydrogen there? Can you see any hydrogen in the formula? Can you see any hydrogen in the formula? If hydrogen not there, so not acid. If not acid, then salt. But more than 2 central atom means what you will do. If there are 3 central atom, tri, 4 central atom, tetra, 5 central atom, penta, and so on. That means easy question it will be. How does the naming come last? in that limited time. Fast, acha, fast. You will also be able to solve. Today only you will be able to solve. Leave it on me. Today also you will be able to solve fast only. Just leave it on me. Just give me time up to 8:30. If you will give me time up to 8:30, I will be able to tell you. Clear, bhai? Today you will see. Then any other doubt? So subjective assignment is tough. I can't do it. Vishwa, I am sitting here. I will make you solve. In next class, I think I will discuss in the beginning itself. I was thinking today I will discuss, but today also I can discuss. Shall I discuss today or shall I discuss tomorrow? Today? Today. Okay, I'll discuss today. I'll discuss today only. Just now I will start the discussion for that. Chaliye. Now tell. Any other doubt? Now start asking the doubt, bhai. Any other doubt is there on the thing on the board? Then I will explain one more time. Then I will go to the discussion of the examples. Na4P2O7 already done in the last class, beta. Last class already done. In this one, any doubt is there? Please repeat why -2 came. Beta, that is first or second lecture question you are asking me. You have joined probably late. Probably 100% you have joined late. Please see those videos. You'll be able to understand. Lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. You will see those two videos, then you will understand. Today is not the day. Okay, bhai? Na4P2O7. It is salt or acid. Beta, hydrogen unda. Na4P2O7 lo hydrogen unda. Ram, hydrogen unda. Na2P4O7 lo hydrogen unda. No. So bhai, how it is acid here? How will that be acid? Chaliye. Shall we carry on? How can I will see your previous videos. Are you added in the group? Any gift group are you added? Are you added in any gift group? Vivo 1812. Added na? I'll post there. After the class, I'll post all the videos again. Done? It is not an acid. Hanji, what to do? What to do? Who is not an acid? Sir, so if anionic acid, it changes to 8. Correct. Sampath, exactly. 100% right. Sir, when explain again, I will explain, don't worry. Se2O7, question mark. What are you asking? Question mark. Chaliye bhai, I'm explaining one more time. Focus on the board. Na2Se2O7, it belongs to sulfur oxygen, this family. 16 group. 16 group highest oxidation state is +6. So we came to know that selenium oxidation state coming +6 and highest oxidation is also +6. When you have highest oxidation state +6, the acid can be +6 +4, a difference of 2 should come. +6 highest, tarvata +4, tarvata +2. 0 minus not allowed. +6 +4 +2. So there are 3 oxo acid. If there are 3 oxo acid in the last class and last to last class we have discussed, if there are 3 oxo acid, highest is ic, then OS, then hypo OS. This is the highest. Sir, how do you know it is highest? Because 16 group highest is +6. Sir, if I don't know the group, then you will not be able to solve this question. So sir, here I got +6 highest to ic acid. Now, hint number 2. If there are 2 central atoms, then we use the word pyro. So 2 central atoms are there, to pyro. Selenium there, to selenium. Ic acid. So pyroselenic acid. But we know this thing, when ic acid is taken, the anion of ic acid is 8. So I will call it pyroselenate. That is how the name came. Let's carry on. Let's do the assignment now. Then only bhaiya you will be able to get full confidence. I'll make you solve the assignment right now. Then only you will be very happy ki ha sir, now confidence kuncham kuncham vastundi. Yep, I'm discussing the assignment on the board. Assignment number 2 I'm discussing. Let's see one by one. Gift assignment number 2. So these kind of questions will come in the exam. These are called multiple choice question. Here though we have more than one correct answer. Here we have more than one correct answer. For better practice I'm giving you. But in the exam you will get single choice answer. Next assignment will be neat type of questions. Chaliye, name of the following acid end with ic. Let's see. Let's see. For that we need to find the oxidation state for all of them. So let me help you out here. The oxidation state of sulfur here is +6. Chlorine here +7. Sulfur here +4. And nitrogen here +3. When you get ic acid you get when you have the highest oxidation states. So here it is going to be ic acid highest because sulfur 16 group +6 highest. Chlorine 17 group +7 highest. So this is going to be perchloric acid. Perchloric. So this is going also to be ic acid. Sulfur +4 +6 highest is ic acid. 4 will be Owers acid. So this bhai sahab is Owers acid, not our answer. And this bhai sahab is +5. Nitrogen family means 15th group. 15 group means +5 is maximum. That is going to be ic. And this one is going to be Owers. So sir, answer will be 1 and 2. Name of which of the following end with Owers? Same to same. Nitrogen +3, carbon +4, sulfur +4, boron here will come +3. In nitrogen family, 15th group, +5 will be ic. 15 group means highest +5. +5 will be ic. So below that, +3 will be Owers. Carbon family 14 group +4 highest. Highest means ic acid. Highest oxidation state ic acid. Sulfur here 16th group. 16 group maximum +6. So +6 will be ic. Below that +4 will be Owers acid. So bhaiya Owers. Boron belong to 13th group. 13th group you have +3 highest, and highest means ic acid, not Owers. Question number 1 and 2, any problem? Sir, how you find the oxidation state? Firstly, experience. You will also get. Today not possible. Slowly you will get. You will practice so many questions. Oxidation states will come, answers will come. Someone was asking me in the exam, how will I solve this thing in the NEET exam? 2 years later, you will get more than this practice. You will obviously be able to solve. HClO4 is perchloric acid, Akshay. Correct. Then why? Sir, once explain, second only I explain. What else did I say? Identify the meta acid. Let's see meta acid. Try to understand. HMNO4 is permanganic acid. Permanganic acid. HClO3, this is +5. What is the highest oxidation state of 17th group? Highest oxidation state of 17th group is 7. So below 7 +5, second highest. Second highest, 17 group, 17 group, there are 4 oxo acid. 7, 5, 3, 1. Plus 7, plus 5, plus 3, plus 1. Plus 7, plus 5, plus 3, plus 1. Per ic. Then ic. So this is your chloric acid. Now, try to recall which are the acids you have done. You have done HPO3, you have done H3PO4. Remember? H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid we have done, right? H3PO4 phosphoric acid. So H3PO4 minus water. Minus water. So 4 minus 1, 3 oxygen. P as it is, 3 minus 2, 1 oxygen. This will be called metaphosphoric acid. This is your metaphosphoric acid. Done? Bilkul. Now, H2SNO3. H2SNO3. It can be, cannot be meta because we don't know about it. We don't know about it. It can be meta, cannot be meta. But how to know? Let's check. In case I take H4SNO5, for example, H4SNO5. Or let's do one thing. Take H2SNO3 plus H2O. H2SNO3 plus H2O. So if I add water, 3 plus 1, 4 will come. SN will come as it is. H4 will come as it is, correct? H4SNO4. If you add water, imagine, if you add water, you will get H4SNO4. Now, do you remember silicic acid? Check your notes, please. Check your notes. Search H4SiO4. Check your notes. H4SiO4. Check. Check your notes. H4SiO4. What is H4SiO4, bhai? What is H4SiO4? It is there. So silicon and tin, they belong to same group. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, they all belong to the same group. So just like silicic acid, we have this bhai sahab also, same to same. So this is also meta. Check. Tough questions are there. I have chosen good questions, not easy questions, tough questions. It should, if these questions are not making you uncomfortable, that means I have given you something to make you happy. I don't want to make you happy, I want to make you doctors. And if you want to become doctor, you have to do good questions. Slowly level will increase now. Clear, bhai? But I find the oxidation state fast because of practice. Sir, please explain option number 2. Okay, I will explain. Option number 2, low. Now, see, H2SNO3. This belongs to carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. This family. Out of that, which oxo acid we have covered? So we have covered silicon, and we know the oxo acid H4SiO4 as silicic acid. H4SiO4, silicic acid. H4SiO4 is silicic acid. Clear, bhai? Now, silicic acid H4SiO4 minus water. If you subtract water, so 4 minus 1, 3 oxygen, silicon as it is, and H2. This we called as metasilicate. Check your notebook. Check your notebook. Check notebook, bhai. If notebook you will not search, you will not be able to understand what I'm saying. Check your notebook and search this example. This example there in the notebook or not? Check this example, bhai. If this example is there in the notebook, then to game over. If H2SiO3 is metasilicate, then H2SnO3 should be metastanate. But anyway, does not matter. Stanic does not matter for you. Meta is there, that is important. So if this is meta acid, then H2SnO3 should also be meta acid. They belong to the same group. Clear? How to know that you have to take silicic acid is by periodic table. Clear? You don't have to mug it up right now. You don't have to remember it right now. Today we are just learning method. Once periodic table you will remember, you will be able to get all the names correctly. Periodic table required. Okay? I'll try to help you out there, but still, let's carry on with our discussion, bhai. Let's carry on with our discussion. Let's not. The more questions you will solve, the better understanding you will get. Prefix pyro. You want the prefix pyro, bhai. Tell me where you can put the prefix pyro. Where can you put the prefix pyro? Prefix pyro. So number one to here. Here clear cut pyro. Two central atom. Say bhai. Two central atom unda. Two central atom unda. And negative charge means if you can write, you will write H2S2O7. So is this acid? Yes, sir, this is acid. Is this having two central atom? Yes. Is this acid? Yes. Two central atom unda? Yes. Here also two central atom, but this is oxide. Oxide, we don't use the word pyro. We don't use the word pyro and all. For oxide, we don't use the word pyro, bhai. So only two are there, where there are two central atom, and that is oxo acid or oxo anion. Oxo anion or oxo acid. Oxide le do. We have not done oxide. No. Arshia, we have not done oxide naming. We never did oxide naming in these 4 or 5 days. We only did oxo acid and oxo anion naming. Arshia, clear? This is oxide neutral. This is oxide neutral. This is oxo anion. And this is oxo acid. Here we can use. Bilkul, I can zoom, bhai. If you are asking, I can zoom also. Check. This is oxo acid. This is oxo anion. We have only done the naming of oxo acid and oxo anion. We have never done the naming of oxide. Arshia, am I clear? Arshia, am I clear? For option 2, H is not there. Beta, H is not there. Agreed, H is not there. But are you forgetting that for anions also, for oxo anions also, we do the same kind of naming. We do the same kind of naming for oxo anion. I think you forgot here. These are oxo anions, beta. For oxo anions also, everything same. Only ik become 8, OS become 8. Everything else is same. For oxo anion, for oxygen containing negative ion, oxo anion. Let's carry on, bhai. Which acid are ortho acid? Which acid are ortho acid, bhai? Which acids are ortho acid? Ortho acid means which are the ortho acid, bhai? All option? No, not all options. Bhai, first thing you should always cancel. Two central atom came na. Two central atom came. So two central atom can never be oxo acid. Then H3PO4 unda? Yes, sir. Three or more than 3 hydrogen, one central atom. 3 or more than 3 hydrogen, one central atom. This one looks like, sir, one central atom only and more than 3 hydrogen. But iodine acid we know HiO4, HiO3, HiO2 and HiO. It does not even exist as a nearby ortho acid also. Check. Check, bhai, check. Check, 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 check. We know the oxo acid of iodine, HiO4, HiO3, HiO2, HiO. This much we know, bhai sahab. Then why we will see H5IO6? Check. Done. Mahesh, I can find oxidation state fast because of practice. 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 I have already replied 3-4 times. Practice. More questions you will do, more oxidation states you will remember. Elements are countable, very less elements are there. After practice, you will also be able to do it, but you have to be patient. Subject, you need to give time. The people, they find academics very tough because they don't have patience to learn. Learning is, the requirement of learning is patience. If you can patiently learn without getting frustrated, if you can learn, then only you can be able to learn for 2 years, then only selection will be possible. Clear? Pranav, that is not the concern right now. I can tell. I have a video also on net. You can search with my name. You will find the video. You can see the balancing there. EAC method is there. Electron atom charge balance method. Clear? You can see there. Sir, what is H3ClO4 not exist? H3ClO4 charge. Can exist but not stable. It can exist but not stable. What is binary compound? Compound made by 2 atoms. Binary. Compounds made by 2 types of atom, binary compound. Anyway, going ahead, match the column, match the column, match the column. CaSe2O7. Sir, now we know Fe2O7 is pyroselenate. Say yes or no. Now we know logically it is pyroselenate. If it is pyroselenate, answer will be calcium pyroselenate. Sir, we know NO3 minus came from HNO3. HNO3 is nitric acid. If HNO3 is nitric acid, this must be nitrate. So, bhaiya, allyl NO3, lithium amine, wrong. Wrong. Then, NiHSO3 we will see later. CSOBr. OBr came from HOBr. We know HBrO4, HBrO3, HBrO2 and HBrO. So highest one per ic, then OS, then hypo-OS. So HBrO came from here, hypobromous acid. So anion of hypobromous acid, anion of hypobromous acid anion, that is BRO minus, will be hypobromite. OVS acid anion is ite. OVS acid anion is ite. So cesium hypobromite is correct. Calcium pyroselenate is correct. Done, bhai sahab? Any problem in these two? Any problem in these two? Second one I will discuss. Sir, in third question, why not 3 comes? But a third question is left in Pakistan. We are now in Hindustan. Let's focus upon the Hindustan. I'll explain later on. Sir, can you explain option 2? I will explain. I will explain, obviously. Why will I leave that? Focus here. Here any problem? Explain. I'm explaining the option number 2 now. NiHSO3 whole twice. NiHSO3 whole twice. They are saying the name is nickel metasulfite. Metasulfite they are saying. Metasulfite. Sulfite will come from sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. Say yes or no. Sulfite will come from sulfurous acid. Ite will come from OS acid. Sulfite will come from sulfurous acid. Ite comes from OS acid. Ate comes from ic acid. Ite comes from OS acid. So sulfite comes from sulfurous acid. So sulfurous acid, so we know, yaar, H2SO3. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid anion is sulfite. Sulfite. This anion will be sulfite. Now, is this after subtracting water? after subtracting water what you will get? 3 minus 1 oxygen 2, sulfur as it is 2 minus 2 हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन ले दू तो मेटा एसिड उंदा, तो सर मेटा एसिड ले दू. For meta acid hydrogen should be there. For calling him one acid, at least one hydrogen should be there here. So sir, it is not having meta, so meta is wrong. Only two correct names are mentioned, 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Say bhaiya. Clear? Clear? Headache vastunda. Sir, what is the actual name of LiNO3? Lithium nitrate. Written here nitrate, lithium nitrate. Last class we have discussed. Bilkul correct. They are asking which correct name is written against which of the following chemical formula. Against 1 and 4, the name written is correct. Now, this is my favorite question. I like to call it Akada Ikada rule. Akada Ikada rule. Akada Ikada rule means, in English we call it criss-cross rule. Akada Ikada rule, criss-cross rule. Let's see. What formula would be expected for a binary compound formed between strontium and nitrogen? So strontium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, it belong to second group and their oxidation states are +2. So strontium has +2 charge always. And right side nitrogen will come. So nitrogen has -3 charge. Sir, how do you know nitrogen is -3? See, with a metal, if I am metal, I am positive. Then if I am reacting with someone, that should be negative. And which oxidation state of nitrogen is minus? So sir, minimum of nitrogen is -3. Nitrogen has 5 valence electron. You know this? Nitrogen belong to 15th group. So how many valence electrons are there? Valence electrons are 5. So how many electrons required for octet? Valence electron 5. How many electrons required for octet? 3. So 3 minus will come. Now understand. Ikkada charge, akkada number. Ikkada charge, akkada number. Akkada charge, ikkada number. Ikkada charge, akkada number. Akkada charge, ikkada number. So the answer will be SN3 and 2. Check. Akkada ikkada rule clear. Check by check. Say bhai. Akkada charge, ikkada number, ikkada charge, akkada number. Then one acid, if you remember, I have written. Remember? One acid I said ki later on we will see that. Remember this, bhai sir? HN3 I have written. When I was teaching you hydra acid, I have written HN3. Remember, bhai sir? Bilkul. This N3 minus N3, when H plus will go, you will get N3 single minus. N3 single minus, if charge is N3 single minus, strontium Ren2 plus, apply akkada ikkada rule. So ikkada charge, akkada number, akkada charge, ikkada number. So SR N3 whole twice will also be okay. Vishal, don't worry. Within 2 years, we'll remember every element. So many elements are not there. Check. Clear up to here? Okay, bhai Ram. Check. If you take N3 minus, single minus, ikkada charge, akkada number, akkada charge, ikkada number. Done. Now let me make your job easy, bhai. Let me make your job easy. Remaining questions, so I will discuss in the next class. These questions I will discuss in the next class. Don't worry. Try them today also. Today you will be able to try them. Some of the answers you will get. But now, let me make your job easy. Please listen to me for 5 more minutes. You will get your job work done very easy. Shall we focus on the board? Focus on the board. Now I am telling you, complete conclusion of all the lectures we have attended. Complete Maha conclusion I am telling you. Focus on the board here. So bhaiya, we will start from group number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Which are the element? Boron here, non-metal. Here, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. Here, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Here, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Here, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Out of these, oxygen, fluorine I will cut. They will not form oxo acids. Remaining people we will see. Please focus on the board, everyone. And now you will understand, sir, how can we answer these names fast in the exam? Now whole theory learned, shortcut. This group forms one oxo acid, which is going to be ic acid. This group generally form two acids, we can say, but here only carbon forms one acid, silicon form one acid. But anyway, they form +4 ic acid +2 OVS acid. Which are those acid? H2CO3 only, that is carbonic acid, and H4SiO4 silicic acid. Whatever I'm writing in the bracket, these are ortho acids, bhai. Not this one, not the first one. Whichever I'm writing in the bracket here, this is ortho acid. Here also we can write H3BO3 boric acid. Boric acid. For 15 group, we have +5, +3, +1. So this will be ic, OVS, hypo, OVS. That is HNO3, HNO2, H2N2O2. Then we have for phosphorus H3PO4, H3PO3, H3PO2. Then for 16 group, we will have +6, +4, +2. +6 will be ic, then OVS, then hypo OVS. So here you can write two major examples are there, H2SO4 and H2SO3. So this one is ic and the other one is OVS. Bottom one is OVS. Same to same for selenium also, same to same for tellurium also. Now for 17 group, we have +7, +5, +3, +1. This is per ic, then ic, then OVS, then hypo OVS. So this is going to be example. We can write in general HXO, HXO2, HXO3, HXO4, or better to write in the decreasing order, better will be there. Decreasing order means HXO4, 3, 2, and 1. Then who will form meta, who will form pyro? So bhaiya, he will have meta, he will have pyro. Here he will have meta, they will have meta also, they will have pyro also. Try to write their formulas. Here you will have, for these phosphorus oxo acid, you will have meta for H3PO4, and you will also have pyro. But in these cases, meta will not be there and pyro will not be there for these cases. For HNO3, HNO2, H2N2O2. Here, meta will not be there, but pyro will be there. For this group, meta not there, pyro there. Here you will have neither meta nor pyro. This is the Maha conclusion of all the things that we have practiced and we have tried. All the things that you have practiced, you have tried. This is the conclusion of everything. Check. Check by check. This you have to revise 2-3 times today. Revise this 2-3 times today. This is the overall conclusion of all the things we have done in the NEET syllabus. Beyond this, not even a single word can come. Clear, bhai? Beta, they will form pyro. Someone is asking, sir, they don't have two central atom. How can they form pyro? They don't have two central atom, but when they will form pyro, pyro will have two central atom. Done, bhai sir? Vishal, I will send this in the group. This will come in the group. Carbon not meta. Ha, bilkul. Carbon also here, meta not there. Meta not there. And carbon will also not form pyro. Clear? So here, for these people, meta and pyro. Beta, X means chlorine or maybe bromine, maybe iodine. Here X means chlorine or bromine or iodine. Here X means chlorine, bromine, iodine. HClO4, HClO3, HClO2, HClO, HBRO4, HBRO3, HBRO2, HBRO, HiO3, HiO2, HiO. Why carbon won't form pyro? Try to form. Try. Try. SB means S. No, beta. SB means antimony. It's a new element. You might not be knowing the name. Sir, can Ge form ortho acid? Yes, it can form, but in your syllabus you will not get. It can form, just like selenium, silicon, it can form. Just like silicon, it can form, but in your syllabus you will not get. Sir, how can we know H3 or H2 or H4? We have to remember them. These formulas, these you have to remember. Who are the acid? H2SO2 not there. No, beta. H2SO2 not there. Why? Because H2 is an independent gas, hydrogen gas. SO2 is another gas. So they will not exist together. They are independently stable. Sir, is para and pyro same? No, no. Para is in organic chemistry. Pyro is in inorganic chemistry. They are not same. No, not at all. Will you send today's class notes? 100% I will send in the group. Immediately after the class, I will send. Then, is there any trick to find H3, H2? Beta, this much also you will not do, kya? No, there is no direct trick. This much so you should do. Beta, video, it takes time to generate. It's not like I will click and video is recorded. It's not recorded like that. In Zoom, when you will record, it takes time to process. Clear? So it can be sent on the next day only. Max to max or 2-3 hours later only, not before that. Sir, is today's lecture posted in YouTube? Yes, it will be posted. It will be posted. But immediately not possible. Technically not possible. Zoom takes time to. You can also try to record in your Zoom, you will understand. Small videos will also take 4-5 minutes. Sir, carbon forms pyro. No. Not pyro, not meta. Carbon forms only one thing, that is carbonic acid. And this is also little unstable. And later on you will learn. What are the exam timings tomorrow? Tomorrow exam, day after tomorrow, beta. Tomorrow, one more class is there, one last class is there. I will compile everything and go. Before that, I will not end, bhai. Tomorrow, one more class is there. What is the day today? Friday. Huh? Don't worry. Day after tomorrow exam. Before the exam, I will prepare you so much that if you have attended all the classes, 0 marks you will lose. 0 marks you will get, Ledu. 0 marks you will lose. What happened to it? Bhai. हाँ जी, class recording will also come. Is hydrogen written first, H plus related to acidity of acid attributed to H plus? Yes. Yes. True. Correct. Bye bye, beta. Bye bye. Those who have doubt, they can stay and clarify their doubts. Remaining, bye bye. What is the difference between bleaching powder? Beta, bleaching powder difference. How can I tell? Difference means two people will be compared. Then difference I can say na. Difference between bleaching powder and what? Tomorrow class, I think maybe morning. Maybe morning. Four, 5, 2, 3, 1. So could you please send Ghosh alert? Can we use metapyro in organic? No, no, Vardhan. Organic, what you have to use, you will learn in the next week. Topics I will come and tell, or maybe next to next week, I think. But both have same formula. Who both? No, no, they don't have the same formula. Up to LKG, UKG classes, people read bleaching powder as CaOCl2. In reality, bleaching powder is CaOCl whole twice dot CaCl2 dot CaOH whole twice dot 2H2O. Bhai sahab, you have come to senior class now. Understood? I'll show you next day. Tomorrow, if you remind me, I can show you tomorrow the formula in NCERT. Or you can search yourself also in P block NCERT. Clear, bhai? Exam pattern I will send. IUPAC Industrial Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Sir, tomorrow class timing sending group. You will get, don't worry. Syllabus for exam you will get, no doubt. So we send the Ghoshlite app link in the group. Yeah, everything will be sent in the group. Don't worry. How to download, all those things will be sent in the group. So relax. Good night, bhai. Any other doubt is there? This compilation clear to you? After this compilation, try this assignment one more time. Tomorrow we'll discuss the remaining questions of the assignment. Done? My number is 790-609-4041. WhatsApp. Good night, Surya. Good night. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night. How many chemistry questions are there in exam? But in my memory, the 50 were there. But I think you are only saying 360 marks paper will come. Then maybe 25 will come or 23 will come. Okay, bye. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, bhai. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.